Hi everyone, we'll go back to reaction with director Carson for the next Sonic Boom was season 1 episode 2. Anyways, enjoy the video. Sonic Boom. Can an evil genius crash on your couch for a few days? Is a long word to pause and say it. Let's continue. Oh, it's nighttime already. And sleeping. Somebody's in the door.
Hi! What do you want? First of all,
Eggman?
thank you for answering the door at such a late hour. I realize what an inconvenience this must be.
Get to it, Eggface.
Well, I need your help.
You need my help?
Yes, my sinister island lair. You know, the ultra-high-tech stronghold where I hatched my diabolical scheme to eliminate you. It was destroyed in the storm. I was hoping I could crash with you and Tails for a few days until my robots rebuild it. Please, don't strand me in this wilderness.
You certainly could use a roof over your head. And a bath. But how do I know you won't just capture me and Tails while we're sleeping?
I swear not to harm you or your fox friend during my stay. I didn't even bring any weapons. Here, check my pants.
No. It's okay. I believe you.
That's good to believe him.
For a few days, and it's just you.
Just me. And Orbot and Cubot. They're family.
This is Sticks the Lower. You haven't seen this character in the previously of episode. It hasn't appeared in the season 1 episode 1. It only appeared in season 1 episode 2. Anyways, let's continue.
Eggman? Oh, hey, gang. Didn't know you'd be visiting so early. I'm still in my evil pajamas. They've got a trapdoor in the back.
What's
That's funny.
We have a truce. Tails is letting him stay here till his lair is rebuilt.
Ham, still waiting on that salmon eggs Benedict. Coming. I asked for egg whites. These are yellows. See the yellow? I'm trying to watch my cholesterol. And this salmon is farm raised. What is this, prison?
It's all some evil plot, man. First he lures us into some terrible roommate boy, but then wham! Out comes this 50-foot obliterator back then and obliterates us all. We gotta get out of here. Guys, we have to help him. If we don't, we'll be no better than he is.
Yeah, you'll be no better than I am.
Think about how this is for him. Do you feel scared without a home? Do you feel alone? Are you eating your feelings?
Somebody get her away from me.
Guys, if Eggman needs to stay, he can stay. Who knows? He might not be so bad after all.
That's good.
Hello, guys.
Pillow fight. Seriously? Snorri and Evil laughs. Oof, man, that's a lot of food for Eggman.
Hello, guys.
And again.
That's it. I've had enough of Eggman. Lair or no lair, he's out of here.
You can't just throw Eggman out. Sure, he might be a difficult roommate, but it's only because you guys have a communication problem. Communication problem? He whacked me with a pillow. Hard. I'm dizzy, and I have serious short-term memory loss. Why don't we settle this with a roommate meeting? Now, Sonic, do you have something you'd like to share with Eggman?
Yes, how to say this delicately. You're a horrible roommate and nobody in this house likes you.
Let's frame our
The what?
statements with when you do this, it makes me feel this.
Fine, okay, let's see. When you live here, it makes me feel angry. Because you're a horrible roommate, nobody in this house likes you.
You're right. I am the worst roommate. I've never lived with other people before. What about us? You don't count.
Even for robots.
I think someone here could go for 2 spoonfuls of forgiveness, washed down with a tall glass of friendship. What do you think?
Ugh. Hey, man, if we give you a second chance, will you promise to shape up?
You bet.
Roommate needing group hug.
Group hug.
Not you.
Even for robots, too.
Scrubbing all the dishes with my sponge and soap. Scrubbing all the dishes.
That's good to clean up dishes for Eggman. And fix up the pillows.
37, 38, 39. Triple star bonus kazoo. I win again.
Oh, that's great. Well, it's getting late. Time to hit the hay.
Oh, just one more game. That's what good roomies do. We have fun.
I'm all for fun, but aren't you guys exhausted? Orbot? Qbot?
They're robots. They don't get tired because they have no souls. Hey,
Even
He's right.
for robots,
Whatever.
too.
Good night, guys.
wait, don't leave. Just hang a little longer. I'm so lonely. Please, roomie.
They have TV? I think so. Excuse me.
You're still hanging with Eggman? How many hours of sleep did you get?
0.
Feel tired, Sonic?
Stage 2 of this evil plot, man. We are minutes away from him summoning his big obliterator bot, but it's obliterator legs, and it's a obliterator teeth. Sticks, stop being paranoid. Eggman's lived here for 2 days, and he hasn't hatched a single evil scoop. What's so funny?
Remember how I said my island fortress was destroyed by a storm? I may have fibbed. You see, I kind of faked the destruction of my fortress as an excuse to live with you and tire you to the point of exhaustion. Tire you to the point of exhaustion. So you'd be too tired to stop obliterator bots.
Huh? Oh no, he's back with a robot. I mean, a new robot.
We did have an obliterator bot. Why doesn't anyone ever believe me? It's not like I'm paranoid. Stop following me!
Enough! Obliterator bot. Destroy Sonic and his 4 friends.
Fortress. Fortress. Destroy fortress. Destroying island fortress.
No, that's not what I said.
We're still working out a few kinks.
Obliterator bot, do not destroy Island Fortress. Do not destroy Island Fortress.
Affirmatively. Up-tempo music while destroying fortress.
No! Sonic, you have to help me.
Why? He's your obliterator bot.
Because if you don't, I'm truly stuck living with you until I build a new Island Fortress.
Let's roll.
Ogo is to help Eggman to save his fortress.
Gotta stop, but so tired.
You must have a weak spot.
Maybe there's a clue on the ground. This soft, bed-like ground. What? What's wrong? Are we under attack? Oh, right.
Eggman, you built that thing. How do we take it down? By activating 2 kill switches at the same time. They're inside the lair. There and there.
Oh, come on. All right, Amy, Knuckles, Sticks, distract that metal monstrosity. Tails and I are on the kill switches. Eggman, you'll have to show us how to activate them.
Pre-mission group hug?
No.
Whew, that was close. Oh my gosh, Sonic almost got killed.
Jam Jam the kinetic barrier processor. The kinetic barrier processor. Okay, power down the central operating system.
I knew you were coming. But you will never obliterate Sticks, because Sticks is unobliterated me. You can't kill me.
Jam the kinetic barrier processor!
Hey man, what are you gonna do? Sonic, finish him!
Yes! No! Hey, fellas. As you know, my fortress is now a smoking ruin, so I was wondering maybe if I could stay with you guys for a little while, just until it's built back.
I can keep you company. Let's explore your feelings about being a roommate. Now, pretend this balloon is your self-esteem.
Stop! Stop! Stop!
His name is Scare. Sonic Boom, Season 1, Episode 2, the end. I couldn't say the name of the episode title, it's too long. Just Sonic Boom, Season 1, Episode 2, the end. So everyone, don't forget to rate and subscribe, so I'll make some more video for Sonic Boom, Season 1, Episode 3. Before I had to go, as a Happy Mother's Day, don't forget to say Happy Mother's Day to your mother. Goodbye.